everyone. I've never done a voiceover before, so I apologize in advance, but I just wanted to come here to say thank you to all who've ordered keycaps for me. I started crafting because it really has helped me to slow my brain down a bit. Before I started this hobby, I was in a constant state of overthinking, and I couldn't stop myself from thinking negative thoughts. Crafting has become an outlet for me where I can just sort of slow down and not overthink so much. I never thought that something that started out as a hobby would turn into actual orders, and I am grateful for the few who have ordered from my shop. It really allows me to continue this new journey, and hopefully my keycaps can bring you a bit of comfort as well.